Now looking at the second generator, this is the forward generator, and you can see we've got a replacement exhaust riser for the water-cooled exhaust, so that's known as the elbow or the riser, and you can look inside and you can see where that's been replaced also, so that's all good news. We can see we've got a replacement fuel pump, original starter motor, replaced raw water pump, that gold bronze looking thing right there, that's the raw water pump that's belt driven. The injector pump on this generator is original. It has not been replaced like the other one on the aft side of the generator room, and you can see that that injector has not been touched. Well, it's got a wrench mark on it, so it has been touched one time, but it has not been serviced or replaced. The same with these, so you can see wrench marks. I see a wrench mark on the one on the left, but I do not see a wrench mark on the one on the right. So we need to find out why this injector pump and injectors were not serviced, but the ones on the original were serviced. And I wanted to show you this on the aft generator, so it's got a new exhaust riser there. So this boat's got two generators, an aft generator I'm looking at now, and the forward generator looking at now. If you've got any questions, there goes an air conditioner. Ask Captain Chris.